Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain Google free certificate for those who are looking a free internship certificate to upload your resume. It will be helpful for your lifetime. So watch the video till end. I am going to explain everything, how many free certificates Google produced. Everything I am going to explain now. So don't worry. What all the companies are going to along with them means Google, the university, IBM, FutureLearn, and Coursera. These are their partners companies for providing data certificate and digital marketing and getting between which is growing certificates. And you just want to click here. These are all the free certificates produced by Google with all the partnership with fundamental of digital marketing. 40 hours it's there and 26 module it's producing. Get a business online 3 years and 7 modules. Make sure customers find your online. 3 years plus 4 modules they are providing. Promote a business with online advertising. 3 years plus 5 modules. Expand a business to other countries. 1 module, 1 hour. Connect with customers over mobile. 1 hour it same like. And next one would be promote a business with content. 4 modules, 3 hours. Understand need to online behaviors. Build in confident and self promote. How to enhance and protect your online campaign. Land your text job, understand the basic of code. These are all providing one us. These are all the courses provided which company Google app, retail course, of FutureLearn. These are all the platform they are insert with Google. For beginners, you can click here. The hours which length you are looking for, whether you are looking 20 plus, specific means it will show like this. Social psychology, element of AI, model thinking, completing thinking problem solving. You just see here. You click here. It will be there. Fundamental of digital marketing we are seeing. How many years it providing 40 years for beginners absolutely free. About the course Master of Basic in Digital Marketing free course accredited by Intent Advertising of Europe and Open University. They are providing with the 26 modules. So this all the certificate you may get it. It will be helpful for your improve your CV. So this is what the main thing. Getting a certificate shown employee that you have a clear understanding the core concept of digital marketing. So it will be helpful for you. What are the modules? How can you gain your skills? Business strategy, content strategy, display strategy, e-commerce, everything they are mentioning here. So if we click here start courses means just want to create an account and after signing you just start studying your digital marketing course. So if you have any doubt while filling this form or not registering, you can contact me in the comment section. I will provide the link. So don't worry guys, if you have any queries, comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel.